Hello, so in one of my last posts I mentioned that even though I use the Eisenhower metrics to prioritize my tasks, sometimes I still end up with like long lists of important and urgent tasks. And what helps me prioritize further is setting an impact for each of my tasks. In an ideal world, of course, like I don't do this all the time, but for the most part I try to stick to it when I feel like the list with important and urgent tasks is just too long. I need to prioritize further. So I want to show you how I would do that in Notion. We have a task database, and then we have different views of the tasks. We have do first, do second, do third, master table, archive, and a calendar view. Do first is filtered after important is checked, urgent is checked, and the impact is high. Do second is filtered after important is checked and urgent is checked. So the impact could be medium or low or whatever. Do third is important is checked and urgent is unchecked, which means this thing might become urgent soon and I have to schedule it in for when I want to do it. And then I have the master table, the archive, which, for example, this task, let's say I did task 1, I'm gonna complete it. I still like to see it in my overview just to see what I've done during the day. But then if I want to archive it, I can click on this checkbox, archive checkbox. And because this view is filtered, archive is unchecked, it will disappear from here and go into the archive. Yeah, and then the calendar view shows me the tasks I have done on this day. And what you can also do is show the status. So here you will see the status of the tasks. Yeah, that's how I would do it in Notion, categorizing tasks by importancy, urgency, and impact to help me prioritize further. So if I'm done with these tasks, I would go to these. I would see what needs to be done here. Let's see, here could be, the impact could be medium, it would still show up. And then from do third, I would also prioritize further what needs to be done. That's how I would do it. And if you want to use this template or play around with it, I will leave a link in the description, or not description, the comment section. Okay, enjoy. Bye bye.